can do a polka. I can do a split. I can catch a ball butt just like this. Sharpen our bayonets, oil our bayonets, polish our bayonets.
Sticks, we don't have bayonets.
Oh yeah, buy bayonets.
Why do we need bayonets?
Our team's gonna be weakened by 3, and Eggman's still out there. I'm ready for my trapeze act, boss.
That's it. I didn't use a counterweight to compensate for changes in velocity. Plus, this was inside.
Welcome to T.W. Barker's Circus of Wonders. Tonight, we bring you feats of strength, speed, and agility, the likes of which you have never seen before. Unless you've been to any other circuses. Enjoy!
Check this out!
We're not falling for that. It's the oldest trick in the Jungle Predator book.
I've been meaning to read that book. How is it?
Not as bad as the movie. Studios should stop recycling the same tired old properties and make something original for once.
An evil robot! Sorry, that was redundant. A robot!
That's no robot. That's an old mech suit.
It looks like me. Gotta hand it to those ancients. They had swag.
Maybe I should run some tests first. According to these blueprints, the suit is shielded on all sides.
Well, I guess that's that. If you need me, I'll be in my doomsday bunker.
But while the suit's charging its blaster to maximum, it draws reserve power from its shields, momentarily disarming them. If we can get you into the cockpit when the shields are down, you can extract the symbiote chip and free Sonic.
I'm never gonna get to use that bunker.
Enough of this. Prepare for a full blast.
Now!
Get off of me, you little twerp! What happened? I couldn't think straight. Nothing made sense.
Yeah, you get used to it.
The mech suit was controlling you, but you don't have to worry about that anymore.
Just the same, I like it better with my feet on the ground. But I bet the suit will come in handy once in a while.
So, you really don't remember anything? Not even those twins?
Oh, I remember the twins, all right.
We gotta get back to our roots. Let's do it!
Yeah!
It's worth a shot.
Which goal is ours again?
The second half is about to begin, and Team Sonic is nowhere to be found.
What's taking those dweebs so long?
I want a fair game, but I want a lot of things I don't get, like the fondue set.
Oh, word! Our cyborg duplicates! What up, guys? You're about to get served. I thought we were cool.
No, we're cool. You're losers. No, we're losers.
What's up with these guys?
They're under my control.
You just flew in at the exact right moment to respond to that?
Honestly, I was hiding behind the tree for a while. Nevertheless, thanks to mind control, I have my team.
Not for long.
Don't even bother. After the game, I'll release them. Do you have any idea how much mind control costs?
You're on, cheapskate. Split the field. Let's practice.
Once we make peace, they won't see it coming when we bash them with bricks. It's called Jujitsu Realism, and it's the purest form for expressing the depths of my soul. Plus, I found 40 paint cans in my burrow and couldn't think of anything else to do with them. Hey, watch out for that robot. I'll bet she's a spy, broadcasting our secrets to her mechanical overlords. You know, the ones who make the microwave blink 12 o'clock, even though you just said it yesterday!
Don't pay attention to her. She's actually very nice.